welcome to my another vlogs. And right now I am at Hamren, and I will be showing you a festival conducting place here at Hamren. Asi kardom donori tum kurbang tu puthot nili belek vlog salongan asi non nili kedobom ke lage Hamren donori tum apendak Hamren kadak pining aning kan la 2021 festival kapatiji Zonal festival kapatiji adim long sinitum bang penang humri lo. As right now I'm at Hamren, and the place where the 2021 the Zonal festival will be held, that place only I came and explore, guys. And you see here the committee or the high ranking people, they have conducted and constructed a very good houses with good infrastructure. You can see here, and this one we can see and consider it as this is a stadium, and it has painted everywhere, and you can see, and this color you can see, guys, this painted, this the mixings of white, black and red, and this symbols signifies our Garbi cultures. You can see that this symbol, this color signifies Garbi cultural dress. So we can see, guys, and you can see, you can turn around here. Here really it is really very nice and very fresh, and the compound is very big, and all that you can see the side, guys, all the infrastructures are all new. This is one big society hall, and this with another again with society hall, you can see. So here only the main the festival and main the contest, when the main contest and when the competition will took place here. Kasi don mal tum ladak no main asone kono kache pateji pangke ladak lo dok kasi lala. Okay then, guys, now let's go and see the big hall. So now let's get in. And you can see, guys, and this is with another big society house, big community hall. And now let's go and see what is there inside and how it is made and is built. So now let's go and see. And you can see, guys, here it is made in a step way. Here it is quite on top taller, again down and down. And now let's go this side. And you can see here it is inaugurated by our honorable CEM of Karbianglong, Sri Tuliram Longhang, and along with him again some more guests are there. So you can see. And so these are the, and here the place now have, yes, the program will start from tomorrow. So still now it has not opened. They have kept the door locked. Kasi laheno dan marli tum la bangga ko belek sekarang tong na kimi tetet kasilam auditorium lo mate society hall lo agada Hamren nang sido kasi lang kan marli lang mo pu bangga playground lo, and these are the playground, guys. And you can see this is with a huge, like they have built in like a stadium type. You can see. You can now then let's go and explore the another society hall. Kasi non bang hala ko belek hala so long by dam tunang lang kusang ta. And now we are on our way to the next house, and now we are going to see the next house, guys. Kasi non bang ko belek thot a society a hello matin tum nang le lo la pendak pang pailang kusang mari tum dek. So you can see this is with another society house. Oh my god, what the style this is built in. You can see what amazing. Wow, it's really very nice. Like a cross type, like a cross bone. Kasi damar tum lang may pian ke kem na pen ke la color, especially the color ke pen bang hedi ining dok khak lo. Lang may pian. Tes le nang lang tung la nita. And you can see, guys, and this is the inside of it, guys. You can see, wow, amazing. What the color, the ground, you can see the underground one. It is all painted with green in color. And the compound one, it is painted in white in color. And this is the auditorium, big auditorium. This is which is recently here at Hamren town, guys. And here on all the program and some of the competition will be took place here. Nasidan malikum line on nun hedjong akini iklim that bahari ke tepo auditorium made indoor stadium dak Hamren tanong si na kimlo la dak no kinon la penekana festival kasi pakibang la dak sa padupan po sa malikum. Kasi nango event ase na ko do pilo. So guys, even the sound, it is echo has been produced here. Okay, you are all have also heard the echo sound, guys. Okay then, wow, fantastic, guys. It's really, really, really big. Okay then, guys. Now let's go outside and see a little bit about it, and I will be showing you a little bit from the middle of the field, and after that, I will try to end this video there itself, guys. Okay then, let's go. Okay, guys, you can see now I am on the middle of the playground, and as I have told you that this is Hamren, and this place where the 29th Zonal Carbier Festival will be held, will be conducted here in this playground only, and I'm on the middle of it, and you can see just I already have also shown there the first one, the biggest auditorium, even the second one, and even again this is the stadium. Everything is over. So now then, interested guys, interested people from all over India, all over Assam, you also can come and enjoy and see the festival, the Kabir festival, guys. Okay then, guys, I have nothing more to say in this vlogs, in this videos, and let's meet again in the coming videos. Okay then, bye bye.